Hello and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this tricky math question. 60 divided by 2 parenthesis 2 plus 2 parenthesis close 2 times 2 actually. These are tricky math question, but many are solving in the right way. So comment your answer. You get feature here. These are fast commenters. They are constantly commenting our answer. You can be the part of this list. So here we can see 16 divided by 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4 times 2. 16 divided by 2, this is nothing but what? 4 times 2, and 16 divided by 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. 8 times 2. 16 divided by 8 times 2, that is equal to 16. And 16 divided by 16, which equals to 1. So here 1 is the right answer. Do you think this is the right answer? A very big no. Okay, this is not the right answer. So we will follow the PEMDAS here to get the right answer. Okay, so we will rewrite our question here. 16 divided by 2, 2 plus 2 times 2. So according to PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, first preference will be given to parenthesis. So first we have to operate this 2 plus 2, which equals to 4. So we can simply write here 16 divided by 2 times 4 times 2. Now here we can see 3 operations are there, which is this division, multiplication, multiplication. And as we know, PEMDAS, multiplication and division have the same priority, and in that case we have to operate from left to right. So we have to operate from left to right. Okay, because all operations have the same priority. So first we have to operate this operation 16 divided by 2. We will get what? 8. So we will write 8 on the place of 16 by 2 times 4 times 2. Now there is all operations are multiplication, so we can simply multiply. Now 8 times 4, that is 32 times 2, and 32 times 2, which equals to 64. So here right answer is 64, not 1. Okay, and if you're seniors, then must check out our best product for you in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.